everyone. My name is Amanda Terillo, and I am here to talk about healthy eating for World Diabetes Day. So, as I mentioned briefly, I'm a registered dietitian, and I love being a dietitian because I really love working with food and learning all about different cultures of food. And I think it's just a great way to connect to other humans and also to connect to our land through food. So healthy eating, it means, a bunch of different things, but one fun thing about food is that, there's a lot of different types of food. And it's important to just try all different types of food because each different food has a lot of nutrients. So nutrients meaning things that just make us really healthy. So I'm sure you all know what fruits and vegetables are. So it's really fun to try many different types. Right now we're getting into the fall, so we could eat some fall seasonal vegetables like squashes, pumpkins. Those are really tasty and yummy. Other food groups that are going to be really important are something called carbohydrates. You may have heard about carbohydrates before, but they provide us energy. They help us with good digestion. They keep us full. And just like fruits and vegetables, there are so many different types of carbohydrates. So there's things like whole grains, whole grain breads, there's rice, there's something called quinoa, barley, potatoes, corn, so many different types of carbohydrates, and they're really important to include in our plate. Another important food group is going to be protein. So protein helps build muscles, it makes enzymes and hormones. And some really delicious proteins there are. There's obviously the meats and chicken, poultry, fish. And of course, there's also vegetarian protein, so meaning non-meat, and those could be beans, lentils, other legumes, tofu, and those are also really important to put on your plate. Other important foods are going to be healthy fats. So those could be oils, avocados, nuts and seeds. And again, it's just really important to have all those concepts on the plate. And when you eat a balanced plate, you're just going to feel really good and have a lot of energy. Water, staying hydrated is also a really important part of good nutrition. So, we don't want to wait till we're thirsty to drink water, but drinking it throughout the day, it's going to help our cells talk to each other per se, so we can have healthy bodies. And it also keeps us from being dehydrated, and that's going to be really important. So eating, your breakfast, lunches, dinners, and then some snacks in between is just a really great way to have a lot of energy and to stay strong.